All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges around the Salem area for 2026, then you'll definitely want to know about AVS Engineering College. First things first, that TNEA code you see on your screen, 2636. Make a note of that. It's super important for your counseling. So, what's the very first thing you need to know about AVS? It's a UGC Autonomous institution. Now, what does that actually mean for you as a student? Well, it means the college isn't stuck with an old, outdated syllabus. They have the freedom to design and update their own courses, and that's huge. It means what you learn is actually relevant to what companies are looking for right now. It's a really strong sign of academic quality.
Okay, so let's dive in and look at the core details of the college.
So, AVS started its journey back in 2008. It's a self-financing college run by the Shri Vivekananda Educational Trust. And yes, it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai, so your degree has that solid, recognized value. When it comes to getting a seat, it's all through the TNEA process, following the standard 65% government and 35% management quota split.
And here's another big one, especially for parents. The college holds a Grade A accreditation from NAC. You can think of this as a stamp of approval. It tells you that an independent national body has checked out their teaching, their campus, their student support, and given them a top mark. It's a really good sign.
All right, let's get to the good stuff. What can you actually study here? Let's check out the engineering programs on offer for 2026. In total, across all their BE and BTech programs, we're looking at 870 seats for the upcoming year. That gives you a pretty good idea of the size of their incoming batch. Okay, so the college offers 9 different branches. And check this out. They're really focused on what's hot in the industry right now. A whopping 180 seats for artificial intelligence and data science, and another 180 for computer science. Of course, you've got your core branches like ECE and IT, but they also offer some really interesting specializations, like biomedical engineering and even a dedicated program for AI and machine learning. Lots of great choices here. Now for the question that's on everyone's mind. Placements. What happens after you get that engineering degree? Let's see what AVS has to offer.
A huge 95%.
That's the placement rate the college is reporting. And just so you know, this is for the most recent graduating batch, so it's fresh, current data. But what about the money? Let's talk salary packages. What's the highest a student has managed to bag? 10 lakhs per annum. That's the highest package reported. It really goes to show you the kind of career potential that top-performing students from this college can achieve. So where are these jobs coming from? We're talking about the big players here. You've got Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, and Zoho, plus other really solid companies like Hexaware and Tessolve. This tells you the college has built some very strong connections with the industry. Okay, academics and jobs look solid. But what about life on campus? You're going to be spending 4 years there after all. Let's check out the facilities. Now this is a big one, especially for parents. Yes, the college provides separate hostels right on campus for both boys and girls. And the food situation? The mess serves both veg and non-veg options in both hostels, so everyone's covered. And what about getting there? Pretty straightforward. The college runs its own transport service. Plus, it's really well connected. Just 2 kilometers from the Salem Town Railway Station and about 25 from the Salem Airport. That makes travel very convenient. Of course, it's not all about studying. The campus has a lot going on. They've got a national technical symposium called FUGUM, a huge library with over 40,000 volumes, and some really cool student groups like the Robotics Club and the AML Club. You can also join professional societies like IST to start building your network early. All right. In today's world, a good engineering college has to be focused on innovation. So let's see what AVS is doing when it comes to research and connecting with industries. Wow. Okay, this is pretty impressive. 9 patents have been filed by the faculty and students together. That tells you there's a real culture of innovation happening on campus, not just textbook learning. And they've made these industry connections official. The college has signed MOUs or formal agreements with some key partners. For instance, there's a tie-up with the Infosys Foundation for Special Training in AI. They're also collaborating with companies in medical technology and corporate training. These are the kinds of links that can give students a real edge. Now, let's talk about financial support. The college helps students get access to all the important government scholarships. We're talking about the first graduate scholarship for the first in the family to graduate, the 7.5% scheme for government school students, and of course, scholarships for BC, MBC, and minority communities. It's good to know that support is available.
And just to be completely clear, all the information we've shared in this explainer has been carefully compiled from the college's official website and government portals as of April 2026.
So let's wrap this up. What's the bottom line? AVS Engineering College is an autonomous institution with a top A grade from NAC. It has a very clear focus on the engineering branches that are in demand right now, and the placement numbers look really solid. Could this be the right college for you? The best way to find out is to compare. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.